Now, this is a story that India Today first broke at 9 a.m. today. We told you how there was a reckless driver who drove the car inside the Andheri station in Mumbai. Now, we're getting these visuals as well from inside the station. Now, we're given to understand that the details of the driver are out. This is a cricketer who was driving the car. He is also part of the under-19 team. He drove his Hyundai Verna right onto the platform number 1 of the station. The platform is used by Harbour Line trains. Till recently, it was designated as platform number 6. The incident took place at 7:10 a.m. this morning. India Today was the first one to report on this story as well. How the driver was taken into custody, and there hasn't been any casualty reported from this incident, but also raises serious questions of how this car was able to skip the security barriers and enter the Andheri platform. A surprise for many of the early morning commuters as well at the station. The driver has been identified as Harneet Singh, now a state Ranji cricketer. We try and get you more reactions on the story, but it's a serious security lapse that's been witnessed at the Andheri station. The visuals on your screen where you can see that many commuters surrounding that Hyundai Verna which was spotted at the railway station. What we're given to understand from the preliminary report is that the driver, who's been identified now as a state Ranji cricketer, Harneet Singh, was under the influence of alcohol, did not realize that he is entering the platform, and it was only after he entered the platform and slammed the brakes where he was taken out and taken into custody by the cops posted at the station. Early morning commuters were in for a surprise when they saw this car driving into the station. This is India Today exclusive, what you're seeing on the screen. We were the first one to get you this story as well today morning at 9 a.m. that how an under-19 cricketer was arrested. He's a 25-year-old who is from Malda, and he rammed his car in the Andheri station. Viren Gunawat, my colleague, is joining us. Viren, we took our viewers through the story when it came in the first time. Tell us more about, as the identity of the driver has been revealed, that he's the under-19 cricketer who's part of the team.
Exactly. The incident happened at around 7 o'clock in the morning today at Andheri railway station. And let me tell my viewers, because this platform is getting constructed for another network, that is Harbour Line, and that's why there's a lot of confusion with the construction work is going on, and the vehicle owner got confused and he just entered in the platform number 1, but he didn't knew that was a platform of the station. And this is the second incident that took place in last 1 year. The person had been detained. He is getting questioned, and in fact, the initial information that we had been getting that he was under the influence of alcohol. But now the RPF has clarified. The railway police have clarified that no, he was not under the influence of alcohol. He was in a normal condition. But what made him to get inside the platform, that is still under the investigation. But yes, that's a confirmed information that he had played a cricket under a 19 team, and. But still, Devin, and the point is that, like, was it a mistake, or was it any kind of confusion, or was it something, intentionally he wanted to get on the platform? That is still under the probe. But yes, this is the second incident that happened, and there's a lot of confusion among the vehicle owners, whether it's a platform or whether it's a road.
Well, Virendra, it's interesting what you're pointing out. So the initial report suggesting that he wasn't in an inebriated state, he wasn't under the influence of alcohol. Was this a game of speed that this individual was indulged in, and that's why he rammed inside the platform? Because the early morning commuters were present there. Have you been able to speak to any of the eyewitnesses to find out what exactly happened?
There's two things. One, fortunately, it was early in the morning, so there was not a big crowd on the station, because normally the crowd start gathering after 8 o'clock at a peak time. So fortunately, there was no no casualty or nothing. Second part, the sources, and we spoke to the few police officials as well and local people as well. Our local reporter has got the information that there was a slope. There's a slope made during the construction, and the slope is creating confusion, and the vehicle owners, because that platform is adjacent to a main road that connects to the Swami Vivekanand Road of Andheri, that is SV Road normally said. So there's a confusion among the vehicle owners that they want to get on the road, but they by mistake enter on the platform. So I think even there's a mistake of railway as well, because railway officials have to put a signboard and they have to put a specific instruction even for the benefit of the vehicle owners that ahead is a platform and not a road. So I think there's also a mistake and maybe you can say the ignorance even from the railway officials that this is the second incident. They had to make sure next time that it shouldn't happen, and so that there shouldn't be kind of a situation on the platform. There shouldn't be a casualty kind of a situation on the platform at Andheri station.
Absolutely. Thanks, Virendra, for joining us with those exclusive details. India Today was the first one to report on the story and get you those exclusive visuals early in the morning as well, where we've been able to track down the details of the driver now and how this is an under-19 part of the cricket team. This driver who wasn't in an inebriated state is what the initial reports are pointing out. Getting you more details as the day progresses now.